my name is Mark Chive. I'm the sales manager of BLP and the fuel pump guy. Usually the guys call me the fuel pump guy at the track or call me on the phone. I really like fuel pumps. They're a lot of fun to put together. They're not hard to put together. You just got to pay attention when you do it. I have pump sizes 400, 500, 600, 700, and the new 800. We're also working on the 1-inch, which will be coming out hopefully past Christmas time. So we're going to start with the pump today. Some of the stuff I already put together is not really hard. It's a bearing with a clip. On the back side is a seal. You put the rubber O-ring, you put a little oil around it. It's a stainless shaft where the other one used to be steel. In a couple years' time it would rust where the stainless won't. This is the pump arm, the pump puck that has two liners in it with a black O-ring also for alcohol. Got a pin on both sides to guide it. You're looking at the pump body. This pump body here is a 700. This is the one that's made for like 11 to 1200 horsepower, aspirated or a mini blower. The new 800 pump is also for the more 5 to 8 pounds of boost on the mini blower. So this is the pump body. It's got a number 8 O-ring up top, number 10 O-ring in the bottom. The options can be changed to number 12 and number 10 up top. It also has liners in it with an O-ring. You're going to take the pump on. You want to make sure that the pins line up. A lot of guys want to know why they don't. See how the pins line up when you put it in? Of course, your arm's going to be clocked at 4 o'clock. And you're going to put it on top. Cover. Goes in the hole, lines up nicely. Then you're going to take the wear plate and you're going to put it on the bottom. Now, other gears that are smaller have 2 wear plates, but the 700 has 1 wear plate and the 800 has none. Then you put your little locking pin right here. Our new ones are stainless, but both gears are really good set. Either one you get, you're getting top quality. Put it in there, line it up. Then we're going to take the other guide pin in here. And then you always want to spin it to make sure that the pin's in there and locked in, which you can tell it is. The easiest part, and you'll notice there's a lot of oil in the body. You always want to put this together lubed really good. You don't want to put it together dry. The biggest problem with these guys is they put a pump together dry, then they put the belt on tight, and then they eat the side of the body. So if you start it with oil, usually you'll never hurt a pump and it'll last forever. If you're going to let the pump sit for a while, let's not dry start it. Let's take the cap off, throw a little top oil in there, so then at least it doesn't get a dry start and you don't hurt a pump. These pumps will go, mine's 30 years old, but there's guys that have them even older than that, and they really know how to take care of it. Put it together, nice and smooth. Usually most of my settings are 4 o'clock. And that'll go on the top of a big block or small block, down on the crank or up on the water pump. And you put your little Allen stainless screws in. I have oil on these also. I know it's a little bit of a mess, but you'll have way less problems if you don't put it together dry. This is set on 2, so it's not even tightening it. And even before I do the other ones, I'll make sure that it turns nice and smooth like butter. I do it one more time, make sure it's smooth. Take the cap off. Put a little oil in there because I don't want to dry start it. Klopp's oil is probably the best. You can put any kind of lubricant in there if you want to. Then the final tighten, I go around and I just snug it. Not crazy. It's an O-ring, it will seal out really good. And they're stainless. Look at that. Butter, nice and smooth. A little bit of the oil in there, you're going to feel it kind of clicking. That's just grabbing the oil, just like fuel. But just look how smooth that is. And there you go.